Hello my berries, it's me, Darkberry32.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here? No one can save us from keeping clear. I don't wanna lose you, I don't wanna lose you now.
Hello y'all, it's Friday. And I'm so happy it's Friday. Y'all don't even know. Well, some of you that have been watching me for a long time, and I mean, oh my God, wait, what is it BB Sweet and Sexy? I think that's, oh my God. You guys have been watching me for a long time. Like some of you are talking about how y'all remember when my kids were little and how they're moved out now. So what I'm talking about, guys, is I recorded Jordan and Kayla's video of their apartment. My son and daughter, y'all need to go check that out if you haven't. That's the latest video that I put up. But yeah, you guys have been watching your girl for a long time. So, but anyway, we're getting ready to go to see the house and see what the update is. It's the weather's looking kind of funky, so we're trying to hurry up and get over there before it starts to rain, so you guys can see what's going on. Baby, you got anything you want to say, dear?
This is my baby's pre-birthday weekend.
Yes, it is, guys. My birthday is Wednesday.
Yeah, I knew that.
No, I'm letting them know. Yes, BBW Sweet and Sexy 631. Girl, why am I just finding out that you used to do videos yourself? Oh my God. Like something told me to just click on your name, to find your channel. And I'm like, all this time she has had a channel. Doesn't look like she posted anything in a while, but y'all go check her out. I'm all about supporting everyone. Like, everybody needs to support everybody. So if you guys have a channel that you want to mention below in my comments so that other people can check you out, do it, child. Just go ahead and do it. I don't have no problem with it. I know some people do, but I don't have a problem with it. Who got a house? We got a house, y'all. We don't look like, we don't stick out like a sore thumb when we come around the corner. First we were sticking out like a sore thumb and just like a bunch of sticks. We got a house. We got a house. We got a house. This is so cool. All right, let's go in. Right now. Alright, look at the back patio. We got this the back patio. Yeah, y'all, it was pretty loud in there. They are putting the roof on the house. And so I decided to come out. They're probably almost done, and it's probably a good thing that they're putting the roof on because it looks like it's gonna rain, which is great. It can protect, the work that they've done so far. But I cannot believe, guys, that we would come out here and we would cross over from these people's house over here to what was dirt and plastic, and we have a whole house now. Like, this is so crazy. I'm super duper excited, I'm still. I just want to give all honor to God for. I just want to acknowledge Him in doing this for us. Like,
You ready to come back tomorrow?
all glory to God, right, babe?
Huh? Oh man.
Yeah, right? Like, do you remember like us when we would come, remember we would come out of their house to cross over here and all there was just mud and that's crazy.
And we were trying to worry about how it's going to look, but now we realized that our shit got longer than there than the other.
Oh yeah, definitely. And then I like the yard is a nice size too. We do have a good amount of yard, babe. Look at all this.
But I'm talking about coming out all the way out, you know, we're talking about coming out, I'm talking about coming out basically out to you with that extra bag.
Yeah. I just want to have
And then
room for the
shed-
pool.
The shed is over there.
I would like to have room for the pool if we can.
We'll have room.
Okay. Yeah, this is enough, cause yeah, this is a good enough yard.
I'm just loving that cover. That cover, of course, looks nice.
I wonder if they're gonna put another fence back here, and if this, like, is the fence gonna be here, and there's gonna be walking space?
We can talk to John.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we're just talking amongst ourselves. So look, the guys are up there. And they're doing the house. They're putting the nails in the roof and everything. That is so cool. All right. Just stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned.
Come back.
All right, guys. So here's the front of the house. It's actually Sunday. You know, we kind of got cut off a little bit on Friday because there was a lot of noise in the house, so I thought I'd take you back so you guys can see the front of the house, and then I'll also show you the back of the house. You already seen the inside and everything, but we now have windows. We have a little bit of texture on the front of the house, which is the siding, and then so the next step at the bottom is going to be all brick. And then they should be, I'm trying to think, do they have siding already in the back too? So, yeah. So let's go through the front door. Oh, and this is just FYI for you guys that are thinking about purchasing a home. We decided to get, I think we already told you guys, we decided to get the 9-foot ceilings. And just to show you real quick, the house that we're getting and the house next door is the same floor plan, and I just want you to see the difference in the windows and the doors because of just those 9-foot ceilings. You see how short the door is over here, and then how tall the door is over here, and even the windows. It just all makes a really big difference. Same floor plan, different elevation, but you can just see how much taller or bigger, you know, grander it is with the 9-foot ceiling. So that's something to consider, because at first, you know, I was going to cheap out. I really was. And then I was like, you know what? That's something that we're not going to be able to change. And if we do change it, it's going to cost a whole lot of money. So, yeah. So let's see if we're able to get in. Okay. I haven't started locking anything yet. So I'm going to take you all the way back to the back of the house. And so you can see the backyard area. Oh, it feels so good in here with the wind blowing through. And even with like this door too, even in the back, I'll show you the back. Let me shut the door so you guys can see the difference. Let's see if I can get in a way that you guys can see both doors at the same time. So, let's see. There we go. You guys can, well, can't get it all in at the same time, I don't think. But you can see that door compared to this door and just how taller it is. Even the windows Do you see the difference between even the windows? So they even had to make our windows larger because we had the 9-foot ceilings. And then over here, so that's why you're going to be paying more if you decide to get 9-foot ceilings, is because they're going to have to get, you know, larger, taller windows and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. But yeah, guys, things are coming along. I comment below if you can't believe how fast things have gone. Oh, and I can see now, yeah, at the bottom, all of this is already, the siding is on. They're gonna have to just paint here. This is so cool. So if you're liking this content and love seeing the transformation and this whole journey of the house, I would love for you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you have a chance, and give me a thumbs up, comment below. I love commenting and replying to you guys' comments, and I really appreciate all the blessings and all that good vibe that you guys are sending our way. We really appreciate it. We really, really do. You just don't understand. Like, I don't know, it just does us some good. We need. So yeah, we got the white trim on the windows, which is we asked for. They actually had, I think, 3 or 4 different trim colors that we could choose from. All right, guys, so that's the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. We definitely enjoyed bringing you all of this content with the journey to this house and getting things going. So we're super excited. It's really hot in here. That's why you see the glow. But yeah, we're getting ready to head out, get back home, keep our Sunday going and everything. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring you a video next week because I don't think there's gonna be many changes. I know that there's gonna be they're gonna be putting the shingles. I know there's shingles that's going up, but I mean, if there is some changes, of course I will bring them to you. But also I have been out thrifting and things like that for the house. So if you guys are interested in that type of material, please comment below and I can show you some more of the things that I have purchased for the house. Kayla and I actually went yesterday antiquing, went to an antique mall and, you know, Goodwills and stuff like that, and we've purchased some other things. So let me know if you want to see that kind of stuff and I can bring that to you, you know, like in the between time of the progress of the house, you know what I mean? So yeah. Thank you again for tuning in. I will talk to you guys later. Have a lovely, lovely day. Bye. All right, guys. Thank you again so much for watching my video. But if you would like to stay in contact with me when I'm not on YouTube, you can do so by following me on Facebook at Darkberry032 and Darkberry32 on Twitter and Instagram. I'm always on Instagram. Putting up different videos. And again, if you don't mind, please hit that subscribe button. That would help me out a lot with YouTube and it'll get my algorithms up to par and everything. So if you guys appreciate these types of videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I put up a video. Okay guys, thank you again. Bye.